A paragraph is created each time you press the Enter key on the keyboard. All text that wrap in a multi-line before the Enter key is pressed on the keyboard belong to one paragraph. A line space is the space between two or more lines in a multi-line paragraph. Hi, in this subsection, you will learn how to apply paragraph and line spacing in a document. Microsoft Word differentiates between paragraph spacing and line spacing. Paragraph spacing is the space that separates two paragraphs. Line spacing is the space that separates two or more lines in a paragraph. Line and paragraph spacing help to standardize a document and make it attractive and easier to read. There are different spacing requirements for different kinds of documents. For example, academic research usually uses double spacing for a standard academic work. In Microsoft Word, you can set paragraph spacing, space before and space after. The space before creates the specified spacing in points before you begin a paragraph or above selected paragraphs in a document. The space after creates the specified spacing in points after you begin a paragraph or below selected paragraphs in a document. In line spacing, you can choose from the preset line spacing, which include single line spacing, 1.5 line spacing, double line spacing, etc. The single line spacing creates a single line space between lines of text in a paragraph. If a paragraph or group of paragraphs are selected, this command creates a space, a single line space between them. You can also use the combination key Ctrl+1 to apply this line spacing to a selected paragraph. The 1.5 line spacing creates a 1.5 points line spacing between lines of text in a selected paragraph. If a paragraph or group of paragraphs are selected, this command will be used to create 1.5 spacing between them. You can also use the combination key of Ctrl and 5 to apply this line spacing to selected paragraphs. The double line spacing creates a double line space between lines of text in a paragraph. If a paragraph or group of paragraphs are selected, this command creates a 2.0 line spacing between them. You can also use the key combination Ctrl+2 to apply this line spacing to selected paragraphs. There are other other line spacing which are not preset or are preset that you can choose from. They include the 1.15 line spacing, the 2.5 line spacing, the 3.0 line spacing. These line spacings are not commonly used in a document. However, depending on your space requirements, you might apply them in your document. By default, the spacing before a paragraph in Microsoft Word is usually 0, but the spacing after a paragraph could be either 10 points or 8 points depending on your version of Microsoft Word. You can define your paragraph spacing at will. To apply paragraph spacing, do the following. Select the paragraph or group of paragraphs you want to apply paragraph spacing to. Go to the Layout or Page Layout tab depending on your version of Microsoft Word. Under Paragraph Group, locate Spacing. Under Spacing, enter a value in the before or in the after text box. If you want to apply spacing for both, enter in both the before and after text box. Then press Enter for your value to apply automatically. To apply line spacing, do the following. Select the paragraph or group of paragraphs you want to apply line spacing to. Go to the Home tab. Under Paragraph Group, locate and select the line and paragraph spacing icon. From the list of preset line spacing that appear, Select a suitable line spacing for your document. It applies to the selected document or to the selected paragraph automatically. You can also select the paragraph setting dialog box launcher. Under spacing, enter value for paragraph spacing and value for line spacing and press OK to apply. In this section, you'll learn the different spacing you can apply to a document. I will want to hear from you. Let me know what you think about the tutorial or let me know your questions. Please use the comment box. Thank you for seeing this video. Kindly click on the subscribe button before you leave. See you on the next section.